Alright guys, so the next command we are going to have a look at is the ls command. Now ls simply means list. Now the function of this command is to list the content of your current directory. Now after we run pwd, we got this path, meaning we are in our cerebral folder, right? That is our home directory. Now if I should run ls, all what I'll see is the content of that current directory. Now, anytime you want to check the content of a particular folder or a particular directory, you have to navigate to that directory and then you run ls. It's going to show you the number of files and folders in that directory. So if I were to be in my users directory, it's going to return the list of items in the users directory. If I should be in my C directory, it's going to do likewise. So there you have it guys. Anytime you want to check the content of a particular folder or your current directory, you can just run ls to verify that. And also with the content, the ones with the forward slash are folders. Now don't worry about this, we are going to learn more in subsequent sessions guys. All right, there you have it guys. Anytime you run ls, it's going to return the list of items or files and folders in your current directory. See you in the next session guys.